Hey guys, I hope you all are having an amazing weekend. If not, I am here to make your day a little more sweeter. Today we are gonna be making my super easy and stress-free no-bake berry cheesecake. Get all your ingredients ready and let's get started. Let's start by crushing the digestive biscuits. They don't have to be fully crushed as we will be adding them in the blender with sugar and butter. Blend them together until the cookies and butter are fully combined and have a crumble-like texture. Now it's time to set the crust mixture into a mold. I have used an 8-inch springform mold for this, but you can also use a 9-inch mold if you want a thinner crust. Put them all in together and press it using a cup or a glass to give it a more even base to the cheesecake. Make sure that the mixture is nice and compact in the mold. Once the mixture is nice and compact, pop it into the fridge for 30 minutes to chill. While the crust is chilling, start whisking the heavy cream into stiff peaks. I usually add the cream into a bowl that I froze for 30 minutes before whipping. This will give you a faster and more stable whipped cream. Using the same whisk, start beating the cream cheese and sugar until smooth and creamy. Once this is done, add in the icing sugar, sour cream mixture, and vanilla and whip until the mixture is fully combined. Once done, fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture using a spatula. Once the cheesecake filling is ready, remove the crust from the fridge and neatly spread the mixture into the crust. Once done, cover the cheesecake with cling wrap and pop it into the fridge for at least 12 hours. I prefer to do this overnight so that the cheesecake can set better. Trust me, the wait is worth it. Once chilled, remove the cheesecake from the mold using a pallet knife and water. Start by slowly going around the sides and then place the mold on a small cup so that you can slide off the rim easily. Do this step slowly, you don't want to be damaging the cheesecake. Now let's get some berries ready to decorate the cheesecake. I've used some fresh raspberries, blackberries and blueberries for this. You can use any berry of your choice and just go for it. Once the berries are placed, dust them with some icing sugar and some sprinkles. Here you go guys, this is my super easy no bake cheesecake that you can make for your family and friends. This berry cheesecake tastes absolutely divine and it is simple and a classic dessert that you just can't go wrong with. Do try it out and let me know how it all turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to this channel. I will see you in my next video. Bye!